What's up, y'all? Twin Dex here again, man. You know what I'm saying? March 4th, New York session. I traded. I ain't gonna lie. I was up 700 from Asia session. I did lose it, but I waited. I was patient. I made the whole 1500 back. Smooth. Now, first things first. Coming into the markets, I was originally bullish. I was bullish here. I like that sweep, and I wanted to see his unfilled 5 minute get hit, but I look he wanted to set up. I was hoping we can get a clean setup before it happened. But we didn't, which is fine. And what happened? The 5 minute got hit, and we immediately dumped. So I'm like, okay, let me check the 1 hour. We reacted out of that channel, and I lucky wanted to see the 1 hour continue to displace lower, at least to this point right here. So going back to the 5 minute, if I correlate it with gold, gold is actually bullish still. But what does the 1 hour on gold look like? We inversed that previous 1 hour candle. We inversed. And this is also my setup. We hit that channel, we got to inverse. So I want to see gold continue lower, and silver should follow. So going back to the 5 minute, I was looking for some type of sell setup, right? And we got that. We got an inverse right here. With that being said, this was the entry, and that was my stop loss. And now I was feeling real good about this, honestly. Actually, no, my stop loss is like right here. I was feeling real good about this, honestly. So my target was just down here. And what happened? I got stopped. Fine, I'm down half of the profits. I don't know why I was about to tilt. I just ended up pressing buy. I'm like, okay, maybe I was wrong. We're gonna continue up. Maybe I can get in early before we push up, right? I clicked buy. Have no idea why. Lost the other half, which is fine. I get it, but like, so I'm like, okay, let's wait, because I've blown many accounts because I've traded in chop. So I waited to see if price gonna give me a good move. So I'm waiting there in the chop, and I'm still bearish. I had to recuperate myself and realize I'm still bearish. We're rejecting this 15 minute fair value gap. Hit that 5 minute. So I'm still gonna be bearish, right? So what is happening? Since we're rejecting this 5 minute fair value gap right here, I want to see a clean close out of the channel again. Bam. Clean close. I'm down everything. My target is to make that 1500. So what are we doing? This is the 1500 target right here. I'm risking the rest of what I had, the 500. And if I lost this 500, I would have been locked out. I've been down more. But it was fine, you know. So price ended up moving. We had a clean dump. I'm talking about beautiful. I moved stops to break even, risk-free trade. And what happened? We left behind a fair value gap. I'm thinking, okay, hopefully this fair value gap could hold and we could get to you lower. And I took my chances, and I added another sell limit right there. So what happened? We tapped it. Boom. I'm filled in another trade. Stop loss is only $150, but my potential profit is way more. So now my TP is like right here. So what happens? We immediately dumped. TP smacked. And it ended up going way further too. So that was about 4 trades. 1 L here. No, 2 L's here. And then I took 2 sells here. So that's a total of 4 trades. And yeah, that's the silver trade I took for the day. Ended up being up 1500 in the account. I correlated that with gold. And as you can see, gold ended up playing out as well. And I think it ended up hitting full TP on gold. Yeah, that was pretty beautiful. Did the same for silver. Dumped even further, actually. But yeah, man, that was a beautiful setup. And just so y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my actual thing. For those who think I'm lying, or for those who just need to see the visual proof. Here it is right here. I'm up 1500. I'm gonna go to my compass. Let me see. You might see a 50% win rate. Ignore that. Now, this is 15 trades. I promise you, I did not take this many. Well, I did, but it wasn't what you think. I wasn't tilting or anything. If I go to my instruments and I select US 30, You can't see it because my camera's in the way, but I do have negative $22. It's because I needed to I went over that 1500 and I just need to bring it down. So let me see if there's a way. As you can see, each trade was under 15 seconds. My losses were only like $2 max. I was just trying to bring it down. So out of those, you take off that. I only apply silver. 4 trades. I had a 50% win rate. Those 2 wins, the 2 losses. Up total 1500. So maybe in these next 2 days we can get another 1500. My total score is 76, which is not bad honestly. Like everything is good. It's perfect. And for gold, and not too good. Too good. Right now, I've been sticking with silver. Silver's been doing me real good. And then here's also my thing. Let me not go to that. Hold on. Let me log in. Okay. This is it right here. This is my balance. This is what it looks like. And also, if you think you have my email, you don't. It's not the actual email to this account. But yeah. So this is where I'm at overall. Let's see what we can do, man. Let's keep this up. Hopefully tonight we get a banger trade. I'll see y'all boys in tonight's recap.